Hey, what's going on, everyone? Marco here, and I wanted to make this quick little video just to talk about rebranding this channel. Now, you guys probably know this channel as the Pro Consumer. I'm just simply going to rebrand it to my name, Marco Hanna. So I know I've made a couple tweets in the past, like say basically 6 or 7 months that I was going to do some more content on this channel, and I have fallen flat on my face on that. Life has really gotten in the way with work and triathlon that I honestly just had zero time to dedicate to making videos. And honestly, I kind of miss that. I miss connecting with viewers. I miss connecting with people that I talk to on a normal basis. And I miss sharing my experiences with everybody, whether it's triathlon, technology, flying, regardless, anything in my life that I can really share with you in a video. And of course, as soon as I start talking, Bella's going to start chewing her bone here. This is Bella, by the way. I'm sure you guys have seen her on my Twitter account. But anywho, I really wanted to make this quick video because I am going to try to make more content on this channel, whether it's technology related, whether it's fitness and health and triathlon related. I just want to make more content. So I have a GoPro Hero 7 Black. It's kind of a no-nonsense camera, like, you just kind of point and shoot. There's literally zero processing other than editing and cutting up the video. I'm going to try to make it as simple as possible. And I still have a, another camera that I can do more cinematic stuff, but that will take a lot more time. And I really want to dedicate those to, like, say, a tech review or some kind of like sit-down type of thing where I'm have lights and stuff. This is more, again, just simple grab and go type of situation. Now, in terms of the content that I want to make on this channel, it's going to be really about fitness, health, and technology, and then my experiences. So as a triathlete, I really want to share my experiences. I'm actually about to do a training session over there, about to put my bike on the trainer and do about an hour on the bike today because I'm running out of time, actually, so I got to make this video real short. And then I also want to share technology. Now, I'm not a super big tech guy anymore, but I still like to indulge in the latest and greatest technology, whether it's fitness related, like an Apple Watch or a new iPad or MacBooks, or just give my 2 cents about the latest news in technology, whether it's like rollable OLEDs at CES this year or new electric cars or whatever. I just want to give you guys my opinion because sometimes I get questions about stuff, and I'd like to give a public forum or have a public forum where I can express my thoughts and feelings about XYZ product. I also, again, so fitness and stuff, triathlon related stuff, and then I also am a pilot, so if you guys want to see flying content, I know it's not going to be the most exciting content for a lot of people, and it's really hard to make good flying content without a lot of time and budget, so that may be almost at a minimum or even non-existent on this channel. So the main 2 focuses is going to be, health with triathlon, training videos, things that I do, like what I eat or what I train just to get ready for, say, something like an Ironman, and then technology. As you guys know, I used to make technology videos on a channel called Phone Dog, had technology videos on this channel, which when it used to be called The Pro Consumer, now just to be called Marco Hanna, or my name, and that will be it. So if you guys want to see any kind of content, specific kind of content, please just let me know. Leave me a comment or hit me up on Twitter at Marco M. Hanna. If you haven't followed me on Twitter, please do. Also, my Instagram account, there's a lot of good content if you watch or follow my stories there. A lot of training content on that Instagram account, and a lot of other things that we kind of keep up with my life because I don't tweet as much as I post on Instagram. I should probably change that, so I will try to do my best again to make more content on this channel. I hope you guys are all doing great. I really miss you guys, really miss talking to you guys on the interwebs. Hopefully I will bring more content to you and you will eat it up and enjoy it and request more content. And yeah, that's about it. I really don't want to make this video too long. Thank you guys for all the continued support, all the great messages through Twitter, and the support of me saying I'm going to make content. So I'm going to try to make content. Enough of these videos saying, hey, I'm going to make more content. I promise I will try to make more specific content on this channel to engage and interact with all of you. Again, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys very soon on this channel. Bye.